Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on the BlackBerry Z10. I know how old it is, and there's multiple app stores now. I mean, there's BlackBerry World, I believe that's the app store. And there's also the Amazon App Store. Excuse me. And, well, you don't even need to use them. I just done it for fun, and, well, I'm not even using the phone. But if you are using it still and you want to get WhatsApp on it, uh, this technique I'm going to show you will work, and you must just go through your settings and, well, I'll just show you. Okay, hope you enjoy. Okay, first thing you have to do, right, is go to your settings. This will make it much quicker to install, even other APK files. Now, yeah. Go to settings, then you go to, where is App Manager? There's App Manager. Okay, then install apps. Make sure that is on. It's already on for me, but yours will probably be off. Switch it on. And then go to browser. Okay, type in what's app APK. You can download any of these, but what was real easy for me, I believe how I've done it, was where is it? Right here. I just typed in WhatsApp and it gives you the application. But anyway, it's APK. Just make sure it's APK, and if you download it, as you see, my downloads, there is mine. See, it says WhatsApp APK. Now, if you click it, it will go through the installation, which I've already done. Now, just please note, I do not have a SIM card, but it does not have a clock that will say that normally says it's out of date or anything. Oh, there we go. See, it's in. Just have to agree and put the phone number in and so on. But like I said, I do not have a SIM card. I'm not going to put a SIM card in as well. I'm not going to have this phone for much longer. I'm trying to get rid of my old cell phones. Well, that's about it. I even downloaded this, the XAPK installer, which is actually easier. You download this as well with the APK. You just Google it or Bing it, basically, with BlackBerry Z10. You can change it to Google, but whatever. As you see, my WhatsApp's on there and this application as well, because I still got the actual file on the system. And yeah, you can install it here, or you can install it by the downloads on the web browser. Hope this helps. As you know, I'm sure you heard, as another milestone, excuse me, in the BlackBerry journey, they will stop, they'll be taking steps to decommission the legacy services to BlackBerry 7.0 and 10, BlackBerry 10 software, playbook, and excuse me, earlier versions, with the end of life of termination date January the 4th, 2022. So yeah, you won't be able to use the BlackBerry app store, I believe, which I don't think anyone uses anymore. But anyway, If this video helps, please like and please share and also comment. Thank you.